So I've arrived in Herceg Novi. It's 4:30, it's a little bit later than I wanted, but had to stop quite a few times to take photos and videos of the bay. Quite stunning on my way round. I'm all parked up and I'm heading down towards the old town. This is sometimes referred to as the City of the Steps. There's quite a few of them, I would imagine. I think it's built on quite a steep hill that goes down to the sea. This is the view behind me. This is where I'm coming down. Herceg Novi in English translates to New Castle. So I think I'm nearly down at sea level now. There's lots of very narrow sidewalks going down towards the main plaza. This is the entrance to the old town. There are apparently 16 churches and 17 grand palaces in there. Let's go and see if we can get in. Here we go. This is the heart of the old town. My goodness, how pretty is that? Some old stone buildings with a church right there in the middle. From what I've seen so far, I've got to say I really like this place. It's extremely pretty, and it's nowhere near as touristy as places like Budva. It's about an hour till sunset, so I'm hoping to get down to the harbour, then come back up to the old town and up to the castle on top of the hill to see the sunset. So I'm just at an overlook at the moment, looking out towards the Bay of Kotor. It's where I came from, all the way over there in the distance. Peninsula on the left of the shot. Here's something interesting on the middle of the shot now. You can see a little peninsula sticking out. That peninsula is Croatia. It's about 6-7 miles away, I think. And if you follow that coast up about 20 miles, you'll get to Dubrovnik, which is where I was around about this time last year. Just looking back up the hill towards where I parked the car. This place is apparently very famous for its mimosa trees, of which there are lots around. I think over here is some kind of museum to anchors. Look at all the anchors down there. Wow. And then on top of the wall is some cannons, which would have been used to defend the place hundreds of years ago. Here's a good little map of the old town. I started way up the top there. I parked somewhere up in the top right corner of the map, and I've walked down. Very, very pleasant surroundings. And I'm now at Forte Mare, a fortress pretty close to the sea. In fact, I'm very close to it indeed, because it's right here. There it is. So I'm now just heading into the fortress. Not sure how much it costs to get in. There's a few pictures there. That's what it looks like from sea. Okay, well I just paid €2 to get in. I'd say that's quite a bargain. I think I'm the only one here again. It's pretty quiet this time of year. Well, oh, there's a few more steps here. I can actually go up a bit further. I'm going to try and get as close to the top as I can. There's no one up here either. Oh wow, look at these views. That's oh, nearly fell over a step. That is Herceg Novi. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Montenegrin flag flying on top of the castle. And here we go. Look at those clouds rolling over the mountains up above the town. And then as I come round, there's the Marina. A load of boats out there. Day visitors maybe, I'm not sure. There's a bit of a beach going on down there as well. And then here's the main part of the fortress that sticks out. This is where I just was a couple of seconds ago. It's where I came in. And then looking back towards the Bay of Kotor. I'm now inside the fortress, going down to the lower part just to have a quick look. So this is the lower area now. Definitely underestimated the amount of time I needed here. Could do it easily with another couple of hours, but I've only got about another probably hour until everything closes. I'm down at the Marina. Just going to take a walk along and see what kind of views I can get back at the city. Then I'm going to take a walk through the old town back up towards the ruins of an old fortress that's at the top of the hill near where I parked, and that'll be me for the day all done. Just an hour's drive then back to Kotor, get checked in, and the day is done. It's been another really good one. A little further along and the boats are bobbling up and down on a fairly calm sea. That's what this is, not a lake, it's the sea. Just going to walk to the end of the Marina now and then we'll be back again. This is what I've sadly seen quite a lot of since I've been here. Seems to be just a lot of litter around. People don't seem capable of cleaning up their own mess. It says on the sign over there that this is a water spring, but then the sign says do not drink. So I'm not sure what the deal is there. Probably being contaminated with sewage or something like that. So I'm just walking along the front and you can see the ruins here of part of the fortress where I just visited actually. Move a little bit further along and you can see a more pronounced, huge, I mean goodness, I don't know what's happened there, that is huge. I made it all the way back up the top of the hill. 20-minute climb. It's actually 20 to 7 right now, they've closed early. Never mind, never mind. Well, I've got about 45 minutes before I have to go and move the car, so let's continue.